I'm going to play your mirror. So I will do clockwise to mirror you. So let's go around in the 4 petal same time. Great. Now get to the side here, and let's just do the 2 petal to the 2 petal same time. Great. Okay. Let us do anti-spin with the left and in-spin with the right. So the right hand will go down while the left hand goes up. Let's just do as a quick reminder the Poilates for that version. So we're here like this. Left goes up, right goes down. Left goes down, right goes up. Left goes up, right goes down. Left goes down, right goes up. Left goes up, right goes down. Left goes down, right goes up. Left goes up, right goes down. Left goes down, right goes up. And waka waka to the right, waka waka to the left, waka waka to the right, waka waka to the left. Left up, then left down. Left up, then left down. In your split time, we'll do left goes up, right goes down, and then you're going to get to the right side. And then left goes down, right goes up, and you'll get to the left side. And I recommend doing it like this in the 2 pieces until you can comfortably do bum, 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 where you go around once. We start on the right side instead of starting on the left side. And then we do left one down, right one up, then left one up, right one down a couple times. Left one down, right one up, left one up, right one down, left one down, right one up, left one up, right one down, left one down, right one up, left one up, right one down. And then we try and go all the way around from here so that we stop on the right, not the left. So bum, 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 bum.